Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Having learned the biggest mega projects coming up in various states of southern part of India, it is time to narrate the infra story of the coastal state of Maharashtra. The financial capital of the country is stitching a fine fabric of development which can shape the country's future in the times to come. Before that, if you're new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to smash the like button. Situated in the western part of the country, Maharashtra happens to be the third largest state in the nation and stands second in population among all Indian states. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra as well as the financial capital of the entire country. Nagpur is known as the auxiliary capital of the state. Also known as the wealthiest state, Maharashtra contributes around 15% of the industrial output of the country and around 14% of its gross domestic product. Maharashtra offers many attractions to the tourists coming from all across the globe. Now that we have understood the various pertinent domains of Maharashtra's dynamic, in the next 5 minutes, let us tap into the top 5 biggest mega projects coming up to further the economic growth of the state of Maharashtra. To make it more interesting, we'll move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. The fifth in this list is the Trans Harbour Link coming up at the capital city of Mumbai. Talking about the project in details, the proposed Mumbai Trans Harbour Link has been planned to facilitate decongestion of the island city by improving connectivity between island city and mainland and development of Navi Mumbai region. The link was envisaged about 35 years back. Earlier three attempts in the year 2006, 2007 and 2013 by the government authorities to take up the project in various modes including PPP and EPC was made but did not succeed. Accordingly, the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority has undertaken the implementation of the project, connecting Suri on Mumbai side to Chile on Navi Mumbai side. This important link having length of about 21.8 km is being implemented considering the importance of connectivity between the island city and the mainland. On completion of this project, the commuters traveling from Mumbai towards Navi Mumbai International Airport, JNPT, Panvel, Alibag, Pune and Goa will not only be saving travel time but will also save in terms of fuel. This will also help alleviate the traffic congestion in the island city and facilitate development of Navi Mumbai area. As far as the deadline is concerned, the Trans Harbour Link project is under construction currently in full swing and is expected to be thrown open by early 2023. The fourth in this glamorous list is the iconic Nashik Pune high speed railway line. Pune Nashik semi high speed rail corridor project is a 234.60 km proposed semi high speed double rail line connecting Pune and Nashik in Maharashtra through 24 stations at an estimated cost of rupees 16,000 crore. Passenger trains on this greenfield line with a deadline of 2027 will operate with a top speed of 200 km per hour and cover the distance between Pune and Nashik in 2 hours while passing through the districts of Pune, Ahmednagar and Nashik. Freight trains on the line will operate with a top speed of 100 km per hour and open a new avenue for industrial development by connecting important MITC areas such as Chakan, Sinar, Satpur and special economic zones in Khed, Narayangaon and Manchar. The project will be executed by Maharashtra Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, also known as Maharail, a joint venture between Government of Maharashtra and Ministry of Railways of the Government of India to set up to provide a boost to rail infrastructure projects in the state of Maharashtra on the principle of cooperative federalism. In February 2020, the line's revised DPR, that is Detailed Project Report, was approved by the Indian Railways and Central Railways. Its DPR is now awaiting the Maharashtra state government's approval. The line's alignment is expected to be finalized by 2022. Once it is open for the citizens, Maharashtra will attract huge tourism which will give a fillip to the state's economy. The third in this high profile list is the upcoming futuristic petrochemical corridor at Vidarbha. A techno feasibility report is to be conducted for a world class petrochemical complex at Vidarbha region in Maharashtra. The Vidarbha Economic Development Council had proposed the multi-crore state-of-the-art mega project. If the proposed plans hit the floors within the stipulated time, it will usher economic boom in the region. A global petrochemical complex in Vidarbha will open the door to new industries, investment and employment generation. Millions of local people will be employed and it will indirectly lead to rise in the standard of living of the people. The mega project which backs the second position is the Navi Mumbai International Airport. Navi Mumbai International Airport is a greenfield international airport being built on the National Highway 4B near Panvel, approximately 35 km from Mumbai's existing Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The new airport will be equipped with modern amenities and facilities for domestic and international passengers, as well as the capacity to transport cargo. The total investment required for the airport is estimated to be around 162.43 billion, including 122.16 billion for airport development and the remaining for pre-development activities such as land development, diversion of the Ulve River, shifting of high voltage transmission lines and many others. The airport is planned to be built in 4 phases through 2032. The groundbreaking ceremony of the project was held in February 2018. The airport was expected to begin operating from December 2020 according to the original plan announced by the government, but has been postponed to 2021 for various reasons, including the COVID-19 pandemic. In the airport facility will be capable of handling 10 million passengers a year upon completion of the first phase, 25 million a year in the second phase, and 45 to 60 million a year in the third and fourth phases, respectively. The project is expected to generate 1,42,000 direct and 2 lakh indirect job opportunities. It will also boost the economy in the region with industrial development planned along the Mumbai-Pune-Ahmednagar and the Mumbai-Nashik corridors. Moving on to the mega project which holds firmly the first position is the most ambitious Hyperloop transport system. Proposed as a replacement to existing rail infrastructure, Hyperloops use magnet to levitate pods inside an airless tube, creating conditions in which the pods can shuttle people and freight at speeds of up to 750 miles per hour. The status could help fast track land acquisition for the project over a 117.5 kilometer stretch that will shuttle people between the cities in about 35 minutes. This project would mark the beginning of a new era in the country's transport sector. The project is expected to cost about 7 lakh crore and it is still unclear how the project will be funded. The route from Mumbai to Pune is one of the country's busiest with roughly 75 million passenger journeys each year. The first phase of the plan envisages an 11.8 kilometer long track to be built in up to 2.5 years with an investment of around 5,000 crore in Pune. Talking about the current status of the project, the construction work is yet to start. It is facing strong resistance during land acquisition as landowners are skeptical about the negative impact of the mega project. With this, we come to the end of a detailed analysis of various infra projects which are in the pipeline and is all set to add feathers in the cap of Maharashtra. Moreover, there are several projects on which work is getting done at a brisk pace. The Khagpur Industrial Park, Nashik Metro Neo, Pune Metro, Mumbai Metro, and a futuristic Aurangabad Smart City. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel to remain updated about various mega projects coming up across the length and breadth of the country. Coming up next is the neighboring gorgeous state of Gujarat. It will be interesting to watch out what the state has got under its sleeves. Thanks for watching this video.